Hello friends, welcome back to Prashi Exploring Life. We are on the way Hyderabad and Nagpur and plan to take break at one of the popular waterfall of Telangana near Adilabad. Pochera Waterfall. Pochera Fall is one of the popular tourist places in Telangana and also one of the best places to visit near Hyderabad. It is located at a distance of approx 260 km from Hyderabad. There are two routes to reach Pochera Falls. The first is via Nirmal, that is around 36 km from the fall, and the second route is via Adilabad, that is around 55 km away. Pochera Falls are classified as a plug waterfall and fall from a height of 20 meters. The source of waterfalls are a small stream from the river Godavari that breaks away as they flow over the Sahyadri mountain ranges. Pochera Fall is usually visited from Kuntala Fall, which is about 22 kilometers. Kuntala Fall is located on the bank of Kadan River. Kuntala is considered the highest waterfall in the state of Telangana with a height of 147 feet. Pochera Fall can be a good picnic spot along with the Kuntala Falls. You don't find much water after January, so avoid visiting between Jan to July. This time we are able to find shop near entry to Pochera Waterfall and they were serving packed dry snacks and cold drinks. However, not sure if it is available all times. It is advisable to carry water and food by your own. Most people also found having food in these devices, but we found that difficult as there are many monkeys around which will create trouble. It was the best break in the lap of nature at this place on our way to Maharashtra. Hope you like this video. If you are a travel lover, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you in next video bringing new travel destination for you all. Signing off for today, Prashi here from Prashi Exploring Life. Bye. Take care.